In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a debit or credit card on Temu easy and how to remove a payment method from the Temu app. To get started, open the Temu app on your phone and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you are using the correct account, especially if you have more than one, because saved payment methods are tied to the specific profile you're signed into. Once you're inside the app, look for the Use section or the Profile area. This is usually where Temu keeps your account details, preferences, and payment-related options. Tap on that section to continue. From there, open Settings or go directly to Payment Methods depending on how the app appears on your device. App layouts can sometimes look slightly different between phones or app versions, so don't worry if the wording is not exactly the same. The goal is to find the area where your saved payment options are listed. When you reach that page, you should be able to view your saved debit and credit cards. Take a moment to identify the card you want to remove, especially if you have multiple cards stored in the app. Double check the last few digits so you remove the correct one. Next, select the card you want to delete. After opening it, look for an option such as Remove, Delete, or Unlink card. Temu may use different wording, but it will usually mean the same thing. Tap that option to begin removing the card from your account. A confirmation prompt will likely appear asking you to verify the removal. This is a normal security step designed to prevent accidental changes. Confirm the action to proceed. Once that's done, go back to your saved payment methods and verify that the card no longer appears in the list. This final check is important because it confirms the payment method has actually been removed successfully. If you still plan to shop on Temu and want to use a different card in the future, you can add another payment method after removing the old one. That way, your account stays updated and ready for future purchases without keeping outdated card information saved. And that's it. That's how to remove a debit or credit card from the Temu app quickly and easily.